The state of Uttar Pradesh regarding the protest that took place right after Friday prayers in Bareilly. So far, 10 FIRs have been registered. 39 people have been arrested. This is the investigation which is intensifying now. This is regarding the protest that took place on Friday prayers in Bareilly. 10 FIRs have been registered so far. 39 people have been arrested. My colleague Santosh Sharma is now joining me on the story. Santosh, 39 people have been arrested and it's the Chief Minister of the state of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, very clear. We understand he's given clear instructions. FIR needs to be filed and people need to be punished.
After yesterday video conferencing, CM Yogi Adityanath strictly ordered all the district officers that strict action should be taken against all those who disturb the law and order of any city, and strict action not only to the conspirators, even all those who disturb the law and order. That's the reason 10 FIR have been lodged in Bareilly after yesterday incident of a clash between the police and the protesters, those who were taking the posters of I Love Muhammad. And main thing that more than 30 persons have been injured in this whole clash, and right now the action has been started. 39 persons has been arrested and many more are under police custody, and police is trying to identify all those persons, those who were involved in this clash and in this all unlawful activities. Police is trying to identify through the videos captured by the police and the media. Police also tried to get those persons nabbed, and more than 20 persons are in police custody, to whom the police is identified whether they were present in yesterday incident or not. But 39 persons have been arrested till now, and 10 FIRs have been lodged in Bareilly 3 police stations, that is the Baradari, Subhash Nagar and City Kotwali. These police stations are the area where after yesterday Juma Namaz whole incident occurred, and the police have to lathi charge on those protesters, those who were trying to disturb the law and order of Bareilly. Now the strict action has been started against all those after yesterday incident.
Right, Santosh, we also understand that the Chief Minister very clearly looking at what has happened. We are seeing how different posters are being put up. Posters of I Love Yogi Adityanath, they can be seen in the city of Lucknow. But what we saw in the city of Bareilly, I Love Muhammad posters also were seen in large numbers.
After the poster war of I Love Muhammad, this whole issue erupted from the Kanpur city during the Barafa Julus, and I Love Muhammad poster became the political issue, and in the counter many right-wing organizations...
Santosh, we've got some update which is coming in this regard. From what we are understanding, 39 people have been arrested so far. Maulana Tariq Raza, he's the one who's now been detained by the police. He's being questioned. Maulana Taqir Raza, he's being questioned now by the police. The police have detained Maulana Taqir Raza along with some of his close associates. 4 of his close associates have also been detained. All at the moment are being questioned. Santosh, we understand it is Maulana Taqir Raza. He's the one who's being questioned along with 4 of his other associates.
Definitely, Maulana Taqir Raza is the person after this whole issue started in Bareilly. Maulana Taqir Raza called a protest yesterday on Wednesday that they will protest on I Love Muhammad issue, and when the administration of Bareilly, the DM and the SSP of Bareilly called Taqir Raza and called that he should withdraw this protest. And Taqir Raza claimed that social media letter was viral, but that Taqir Raza withdrawn that protest. But a few hours before, on Juma Namaz, that is on yesterday on the Friday morning, Taqir Raza claimed that protests will take place at the Islamia field. So the protesters are together at the Islamia field. But he didn't said that Taqir Raza is under custody of, or we can say he is a house arrest by the police. Bareilly police already took Taqir Raza in house arrest from the Thursday night. But Taqir Raza didn't say to any person that he is house arrest or he will not reach to the protest place. But when this whole unlawful activities done, with this clash started between the Bareilly police and the protesters,
Right.
now the Tauqir Raza is detained, and the question is going on with the Bareilly and with his 4 associates.
Thank you, Santosh, giving us those details. This is news which is coming in from the state of Uttar Pradesh.